What's up, guys? Welcome to another crypto video. This is a video I'm gonna be talking about Cryptopia. Okay, in case you don't know about Cryptopia, Cryptopia is just like every other exchange site you have out there. Okay, Cryptopia is one of the oldest. All right. So today we'll be looking at how you can actually purchase using Cryptopia. Right, and I'll be telling you about a certain exchange site that will be coming up very soon. Okay. Now, to purchase on Cryptopia is very easy, right? All you need to do is first you have to deposit some coin. Okay, this is the whole front end. Okay, you can change the skin to light. I prefer the dark. All right, so you can change all of that. Now, the first thing you want to do is deposit some fund into it. So I deposited some funds, about zero point zero 0.01 BTC this morning, okay, because I needed to purchase this particular coin I want to talk to you guys about. And you can see that I've look at my profits already. Okay, I did this like a few minutes ago, not really long, not up to 20 minutes that I did this. Okay, and you can see my profit on this already. Okay, that's awesome, isn't it? Okay, all right. So what I really want to talk to you guys about is how you can, purchase coins right here on Cryptopia. So like the first thing I say that you need to do is deposit. So the first thing you want to do is come over here and click on deposits because you don't have coin and you want to deposit. Now you choose your currency. In this our case, it's going to be BTC. So you click on it, click on next. Now you'll be shown this. You can use the QR code or the address and send your coins to it. All right. So once it's confirmed, you are going to see this on your balance. All right. Now if we go back and check, let me go to. I want to see my deposit history. Okay. Let's check the deposit history so you can see what I'm telling you about. So I actually deposited 0.01 BTC right here. I've This is my first deposit. This is the first time I'm using Cryptopia. I usually make use of Binance. Binance is quite very easy for me. That's why I make use of Binance. In case you don't know about Binance, they have lots of coin on Binance and it's very easy to navigate. There is a link below this video. You can access Binance. All right. Anyway, so I deposited zero point zero 0.01 BTC because I needed to buy this coin. This coin is like, Binance, okay? KuCoin, and they have their own coins for transactions. Just like you have the BNB coin for transactions, taking care of transactions. So there's this platform, it's the Stenium, okay? Stenium actually is about to launch their own exchange site, which is the Beastin exchange site. Okay, now this exchange site is going to be open very soon. During the ICO I actually missed it because I don't know what happened. I had a refund and it didn't go through. Now they have a limited number of coins. If you go to coin market cap. Let's go to coin market cap. Coin market cap. Guys, remember, this is no financial advice. This is what I'm actually doing right now, and I just want to share with you guys. All right, you can see the whole place is red. Okay, the whole place is red. And the only thing you have here that is, I missed the USD theta. The USD theta is not green today. Anyway, we are not here about that. I want to show you guys Stenium STN. So Stenium coin. Okay, so now the Stenium coin just have a mass supply of 20 million, okay, and the total supply is 5.2. Circulating is, so it has lots of room to grow. Once this hits once the exchange platform is open, this is going to skyrocket. Okay, you can see my gain in just the last few minutes. I made this transaction some few minutes ago. It's now up to an hour. Okay, and you can see my profits already right here. Okay, so you can see my profits already, okay, in the last couple of you know, minutes. Guys, I'm serious about this. This is not up to 20 minutes, that I invested into this. So you can see my gain in the last 20 minutes, last 56,000 sats in few minutes. Okay, so this quite an it's gonna be an awesome coin once it goes into the exchange market, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. Whatever you're gonna do is gonna be at your own risk. You're taking your own risk. It's your personal decision. I have nothing to do with it. So once you have your deposit confirmed, all you have to do is come to the exchange right here. Okay, just click on exchange, and you have all of this going on. Now I'm going to make use of Bitcoin, of course. All right, and then you want to search for whichever coin you want. In this case, it's going to be Stenium, so STN. Click on it, and it's going to load the market of Stenium. Okay, and all you need to do is there are two ways you can actually do that. Is look through this. This is the sell orders, people who are selling. These are people who are buying. Okay, in our case, or in your case, you have to buy, right? So you have to look through these sell orders right here. Okay, all you want to do is to have something or click an order that is actually more than what you want to buy. Okay, so you can uh, go in easily. Okay, or you can place them in batches. Okay, you can decide to purchase some from this person, purchase from this one, depending on what you want. So all you want to do is just click on it. Okay, once you click on it, you're going to have it right here, and you put in that's the price. This is the total that the person is selling. Okay, remember that. You can decide to say you want 100 coins of Stenium, and you will see the price in BTC right here. So, and click on buy. So once you're buying from someone that is right here, the order doesn't take time, it goes in almost immediately. But you can decide to say you want to go a little bit below, and you know um, put in your own purchasing price right here. Once you put in your own purchasing price, it's going to be an open order. Right, so once you go there, you can go to open orders. You find your open order here. All right, so that is it, guys. That's how easy it is. All right, so below this video you see a link to Stenium. All right, you see a link to Stenium for you to get registered. All right, and also a link to Cryptopia, through which you can start making your transaction, and also purchase Stenium if you want to. Okay, all right, guys, have a great time. Bye. And don't forget, come on, don't forget to subscribe, please. Come on, don't forget to subscribe. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. So that's it, guys. Have a great time.